Pardon to Millards.
Commission and mentioned for urgent listing because my entire siding, railway siding has been cut off on the Friday, last Friday. We filed a petitionate appeal, which was supposed to be listed today. In fact, after we landed yesterday, we were told that it was deleted from the list.
Yes. Yesterday, what happened?
We had the matter was supposed to be listed today. It was in the draft list. It was deleted in the last.
How do you come to know that it was in the draft list?
It was in the draft list because we were following up. We are telling you it's an urgent matter, extreme urgency. Entire industry, which employs over 10,000 people, has been stopped. Its inflow of material.
Yes, next.
This is a matter 1015725. The Lordship's on 20th, the Lordship has taken up this matter in respect to that landing zone of the Katak Madhustan Law University. There are certain developments, or disturbing developments. That's why I ask your Lordship's pardon to mention. After this order was passed, in the next day, in the evening, they found that the construction is going on, and some getting some people coming to know, they informed, and thereafter your Lordships, as the student went there, they saw that the massive construction is going on. They went to the police station. They also lost the FIR, and university has lost the FIR. And the most disturbing that I know, yesterday half constructed one shop room they have opened. So I request your Lordships may matter to take care. I have filed applications.
No, we have already passed the order. And if you say that there is any kind of deviation, file the contempt petition.
I will file the contempt, but the implement. I want that some orders, this police must take care of this. Otherwise, the hooligans they are doing. That is why, I have moved this application seeking a prepone of this.
You give them memo to see that time for which we can take.
Permission would speak.
You cannot take up it. Yes.
Yes,
sir, all agree.
Your Lordship, this is a matter where I was a writ appeal. Honorable Senior Judge passed an order avoiding the interest. I am challenging only to the extent of interest because there is a divergent claim with respect.
Next vacation.
Yes. Modification of bail order, my lord. And Honorable Justice S.S. Mishra has disposed of the case and releasing the petitioner on bail. My lord, subject to verification of similar type of antecedent. That one antecedent.
So why are you moving before the division bench if it is passed by the
your Lordship may taken up this matter itself or may direct any of vacation bench matter.
No, you ask the registry, they may take instruction on
the
all the matters.
May I just mention?
Yes, next.
Any suitable date for this? I'll tell you why this.
File your memo. File your memo before the next.
This my colleague did that yesterday also.
Which matter? What's the matter? Yes, call them. We can reach it. Call the item number 1. Yes.
Vacation list, item number 1.
Yes, item number 1.
Item
number 1.
What? With my last permission, may I?
Yes, item number 1.
Minor.
In this case, the petitioner filing in interim bail because both the age is affected, he is in custody manner and he needs a proper treatment of the operation of both the eyes. In paragraph 8, I have stated that the accused person is convicted under section 3025.
Why are you moving the interim bail? For what reason?
My lord, within that, in paragraph 8, my lord, I specifically stated that he is in custody. Both the eyes are severely.
No, what is the so urgency that you are moving during the vacation?
I have obtained instruction. The petitioner was on interim bail.
Yes.
During that time, he has committed offence. He threatened the informant. In that respect, one FIR was registered and charge sheet also submitted against the
file.
case. 7/2024 ରେ।
After losing his eyesight, he has become hyperactive. So you have been case instituted and health report can be got treatment continue. The IN number so and so, this is an application for the on the ground of element of the petition. The land council for the state received the copy of the interim application and he has produced the report of the IIC Udara Police Station dated 21/5/2025, which indicates that during the period of interim bail from 1/10/2024 to 1/1/2025, when FIR was lodged against the petitioner by the Udara PS case number 417, dated 7/12/2024, and in the said case, charge sheet has been submitted under section 126 bracketed to 296 115 to 351 213 BNS on 23/1/2025. The written instruction is taken on record. Stop. The land council for the state shall obtain specific instruction relating to the averments taken in paragraphs number 8, 9, and 10. Put up the matter in the next vacation bench. And the treatment provided to the petitioner by the state authority. Matter be listed if moved during the next vacation. Yes.
Item 2.
Yes, my lord. My lord, directed Collector Jajpur and Mining Officer Jajpur and DDM Jajpur Circle to remain present virtually. They all are present, my lord.
Okay. So, Mr. Collector, please, Madam Collector. Madam Collector, you must have gone through the order dated 25/2025.
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Please be, we are not able to hear you. You put volume down.
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. I have gone through the order, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible now, but as it appears that there was a communication from the DFO, Cuttack Division, Cuttack to you on 29/2025 regarding 6 Blackstone queries. And it was indicated that those were found inside the Balrampur PRF and it violates the Forest Conservation Act and some instruction was required to be taken off and to cancel the 6 number of those queries permits, and it was further stated that the unauthorized activities are still continuing and it has caused extensive and massive pilferage of resources and government revenues on daily basis in addition to the damage to the environment and public health. So this letter was addressed to you on 29/2024, and we just want to know from you that what are the steps taken by you, because it's a government officer has written you the letter highlighting what is going on there. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, after the letter by DFO Cuttack, sir, mining officer has sent a letter to all the leases to hold the mining operation, sir. This letter was sent by mining officer on 9th October 2024, sir. Apart from that, sir, a joint verification has been initiated by DFO Cuttack, sir, requesting Tehsildar Dharamshala and Forest Department officers to conduct a joint verification of the area to further ascertain the forest boundary, sir. These two activities have been continuing, sir, and so far, sir, no TP has been issued after the letter that DFO has sent. In fact, sir, in these 6 queries, no ETP has been issued so far, sir, because of different court cases and
Okay, please file an affidavit to that effect, because it was told to us that the activities are still continuing. That was so, but as you submitted that some steps have been already taken in pursuance of the letter written by the DFO to you. So those are to be brought on record, what steps have been taken.
Yes,
I think since you are saying that ETPs are not being issued, so ETPs are required for only transportation, I think, or ETPs are required for excavation also, blasting, excavation, or any kind of mechanical breaking of stone.
for blasting for permission.
Correct. So suppose they do, you are, I mean, stopped issuance of ETPs, so that prevents the transportation, or maybe they can illegally. I mean, officially there is no ETP since October 2024. But what about continuing excavation and dumping of the extracted minor mineral at the site? Can it be monitored? Any mechanism? I mean, it is more kind of a query to you, so that you can administrative side, you can enforce it and ensure it.
Yes, sir. Sir, for
sensitize the authorities who are there on the field, whether actually this excavation, extraction, whatever you call it can be by mechanical, extraction, then dumping there, waiting for, for a fair weather to start transporting. Still the weather is not good, so they are unable to transfer, so to say. But stopping of ETP doesn't prevent as such, say, for illegal mining. If it is found to be right inside the protected reserve forest, and you stop issuing ETP, yes, there is no official transportation of the material. But how do you stop excavation? What is your response?
Sir, the mining officer has sent a letter to hold all kinds of mining operations, sir. That includes.
Yes, you said that. You said that.
Yes, sir.
That after you wrote that the mining officer has also written. But is the mining officer present, or
Yes,
the DDM?
Yes,
The mining officer and DDM both are present.
Both are present.
So how are you ensuring that after they have stopped the mining operation, how you are ensuring the stoppage of mining operation?
Good morning, sir. Sir, actually, we have issued a letter to stop all kind of mining operation.
So you have heard that. You have heard the collector telling that you have issued letters. Issuing letter is absolutely perfect. You have to. But how do you ensure that no mining is done, no excavation is done inside the PRF? As such, it is away from the public view. I mean, from your view also, I think. Or you have a CCTV camera facility like a industry.
No, sir, we don't have CCTV camera facility in that area.
You have to do something apart from issuing letters, because if letters are, then you have to state on oath that yes, letters have stopped the mining.
Sir, now
This is a public interest litigation filed in the year 2025, and senior advocate is moving the application. Averments have been taken that there is deviation, and it is still going on. So that is why my esteemed brother put a pertinent question to you. Mere writing letter to one department to other department would not address the issue. On the ground reality, it is to be checked, and it is to be ensured that there is no illegal mining activity.
Yes,
That's
sir.
all we wanted to know.
Yes, sir. Sir, if I may be allowed to submit, sir. We have enforcement teams at tehsil level, subdivisional level, and also a task force created at district level, sir, to check illegal of minor minerals, sir. The subdivisional team comprises of sub-collector, SDPO, and representatives from mining department, sir. Apart from that, the tehsil level team comprises of tehsildar, the IIC, the local IIC, and junior mining officers, sir. They are enforcing wherever there is suspicion or wherever there are complaints that there are cases of illegal extraction of minor minerals. There they have been continuously enforcing, sir. With this particular case, sir, we will examine the enforcement, and also we will strengthen the enforcement, sir.
Order senior counsel, read the order passed by us, and my esteemed senior has addressed you. I think technology is required. If you delete the human interface, that would be better compliance, like drone cameras with GPS systems. You identify the drone camera, taking the photograph. I mean, they have to do their work. It is not substituting the physical verification, but have some surprise mechanism of technology where, because High Court has been monitoring these things, like Chilica, it is extensively used. You can have a live monitoring.
Yes, sir.
Please file the affidavits in that respect, and it will be taken off after reopening, but do the needful and see that it is stopped. If it is at all going on, according to the London Council, it should be stopped immediately from today itself. If it is, because it has already caused extensive pilferage of resources of government revenue.
We will ensure.
But in this case, DFO cutter is a necessary party. But here there is a error in the.
It's not oversight, no? DFO Jajpur has been taken.
Times you are not sure which is the jurisdiction.
No, that's
Cuttack DFO is Bhubaneswar. Cuttack DFO, Bhubaneswar. So Jajpur comes under Cuttack. Athagad maybe partly Cuttack, substantial part. So that way you are not sure. Do you want?
To inform the DFO.
That will be done. Anything further?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Pali.
Small submission. That let them file a comprehensive affidavit.
That is exactly what we
I'm grateful.
take down. Who are appearing?
Yes,
Please
madam.
give the names. And
Madam,
so
I am
that-
having the
yes,
names, madam.
so that we can
D. Onwesar D.
give it in a
Yes,
slip.
writing I am.
On all other aspects also, and as mentioned.
So and so, as per the order dated so and so, appears to virtual mode. And the collector has stated that after receiving the letter dated 29/2024 from the DFO Cuttack Division Cuttack, immediate steps have been taken on 9/10/2024. On 9/10/2024, madam, what you did?
The mining sir sent a letter to all the lessees to halt mining operations.
Yes, sir.
Officer issued. Mining officer issued.
Mining officer.
Leaseholders.
The said 6 queries. Of the said 6 queries as per the order dated so and so, to stop the mining activities. And then a joint verification, madam, you said that it has already been made.
Yes.
Joint verification has been made, sir. Proceedings of joint verification have been finalized in March, and subsequently, Tehsildar happens to be the forest settlement officer, sir. Actually, this PRF is only a proposed reserve forest which was notified in 1971, sir. It has not yet been notified as a final reserve forest.
All right,
So
all
the
right.
process is
And
under.
a joint verification has also been made. And she has assured this court that all kind of steps have been taken to check the illegal mining activities, and some time may be granted. And e-transit permits have been completely stopped. Let a detailed affidavit indicating the steps taken after receipt of the letter dated, after the receipt of the aforesaid letter dated 29/2024 be filed by the collector and district magistrate Jajpur. And also the, who else is to file this? This lady, mining officer also,
Yes,
and mining
Mining
officer,
after Tahsildar.
mining officer,
Tahsildar Dharmasala.
mining officer Jajpur and Tahsildar Jajpur.
Dharmasala.
Tahsildar Dharmasala file a detailed affidavit indicating the steps taken. Stop. The London Council for the state has pointed out that DFO Kotak is a necessary party, but stop. Mr. Palit Land Senior Advocate submits that steps will be taken in the meantime to implement the DFO Kotak as a party to this writ petition. Matter be listed in the week commencing. We are fixing a date, a specific date. Let it be on 24th, or just one day after the reopening, on 24th June 2025, before the assigned bench. The details affidavit be filed in the meantime. Copy on the London Council for the petitions. Yes.
The affidavit also should indicate response to the other allegations made in the writ petition.
Obviously, the detailed affidavit regarding the grounds taken in the writ petition. So also on particularly relating to the order dated 25/2025.
My lord, the leaseholder are also necessary party in this case, my lord. 9 leaseholders are
If
there.
you have stopped, then why it will unnecessarily, if you have already stopped the activities, why we are.
They will say that we have not given any opportunity. Therefore, I am obtained the name and address of the leaseholder.
Why the proceedings? If they are simply seeking enforcement of law. Are they law? They are presumed to be law abiding.
My lord.
Whoever is the leaseholder is presumed to be law abiding, and it is simply enforcement of law and whatever forest law, mining law, and revenue law, whatever. And today we have started with a note that they are violating court's orders also. Like they mentioned the Lavensha matter.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, the Madhusudan matter.
Madhusudan. Yes.
Grateful. Great.
One appearance is dispensed with for it. Yes.
Item 3.
May I please your lordship? Hello, this PA was filed by the President of Your lordship, kindly produce the annexed rules, the name published by the BDA, your lordship. Here, your lordship, without
Have you taken steps in pursuance of the order dated 22/4/2025?
Yes, I will be submitted the.
So what happened to the service of notice?
Yes, I will be already submitted.
In this case, in this case, I am appearing for BDA on 14th May 2025, minors.
Yes.
I have taken instruction. The minors kind of a glance to that would suffice the purpose. Kind of a glance to page number, that is at page 41 minutes.
What is the instruction?
Instruction.
Have you filed it?
My lord is asking whether it is on record so that he can see it.
Yes, my lord. So the thing is that over phone I have taken instruction. I may be permitted to give a detailed affidavit in this regard so that my lords can better appreciate.
Yeah, just a minute. No, you come to the relevant paragraphs of that writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
Some roads have been stopped completely.
Exactly. That is exactly I want to point out to my lords. 41 that the map that the petitioners have given.
41.
Page 41.
Yes, your lordship. I filed an annexed 4, your lordship, at page 41.
Yeah, just a minute. Let him. Yes, Mr. Mahapatra, what do you say?
There is a 150 road, my lords, just towards the north side. Then they wanted a road, the black color they marked it. This is the plot of BDA minors that has been allotted to BDA 6 acres some odd GA department. We are going to develop that land.
Okay.
So they wanted that the roads the DA should provide a road to them. They are adjoining owners. They are the adjoining owners starting from 301, 302, 302, 27. They are the adjoining owners. They don't have any road insofar map is concerned. They want, if they wanted a road, they could have carved out some portion of that area so that they could have laid a private road and they could have connected it to 150 road. Instead, they wanted that we should lay a road on our allotted land, premium paid land matters, where we are going to.
No, my lord.
Just a minute. Let me complete. And already he's in BCRT distance, there will be some gap also.
Yes.
That is the thing, madam. The second part.
No, Mr. Mahapatra, we just want to know that when they have purchased the land, whether these were sold by whom to you? Who sold the land to you?
No, my lord.
No. This land has been allotted by J department. J department is the owner of the land.
No, it's a Bhubaneswar area, and there must be that approved plan that how it is to be constructed, what space is to be provided from each side.
There is no such document forthcoming, my lords. These people, those who have filed the petition, most of them have not taken permission at all.
So if you are not taking the permission and entirely if the land has been utilized by you in the construction and it's a completely illegal construction, let us say, and you should have at that point of thought of that this is the particular land which is, though now it is available to us for going to that 150 feet road, but at one point of time, if those are government land and they may utilize it for some purpose, but our land, how we will approach that 150 feet? That is your problem now. So the question which he is now raising, that why they will provide you the road. If you have deviated, if you are having no plan, unauthorized structures have you have constructed, now you are compelling the.
Clarify your lordship, my lord. Since forefathers, and also by purchasing some lands, I am using to stay there since long, your lordship. I was also.
So Ponda, perhaps you are not getting what fell from my lord. That you may be staying there for generations, but without road.
No, with road.
With road. So now who has obstructed or who has converted or who has taken away the road? So that is the issue. Let us ask you. Either you are staying, Mr. Mahapatra says, you are staying there since forefathers, sold up the land without road.
Yes.
Yours says that road is there.
Yes.
So you mention which is the plot, which is the khata number, is per road, so that he can also obtain instruction. Because he is
specifically mentioned your lordship. Kindly peruse, my lord, my single.
No.
Single prayer.
No, prayer, not prayer. It's a factual question. What fell from my lord is a factual question. If you have mentioned in your petition that this is the road, khata number, plot number, whatever description you have given, so that he can, because his stand is very clear.
Yes.
You are staying in a place where there was no road. Today there is no road. So, and you are asking the public authority, the development authority, to provide you a road, which is not part of the duty of the authority as far as private roads, private persons are concerned, private land is concerned. So, which paragraph of your petition you have narrated the road?
Yes.
Kindly look at your read petition and please don't elaborate. We have shortage of time. So,
yes,
straight away go to that paragraph. Yes.
Paragraph number.
So that he can answer.
It starts from page number 7, your lordship.
Straight away you point out the line and where you have mentioned the road and the number, plot number. Find it out. Don't make us read the entire thing.
Page number 6, B. That it is respect.
Paragraph, sir. Which paragraph? You have mentioned the khata number, plot number of
the page number 7, page number 6, and my submission at
where you have mentioned the road, which kindly find out that.
B, my lord. 4, para 4, page number 6, para 4, B, my lord. I specifically mentioned.
No, nothing is there.
Your lordship.
You are reading, you are meaning something else, showing something else. Which road? Because in revenue map,
my lord,
public roads are clearly demarcated and identified.
My lord, for my lord's query, kindly peruse.
No, it's not my lord's query. This is the issue you are raising.
Yes,
this is not a query from the court.
Issue. Kindly peruse.
Because let us not beat around the bush.
Annexure 2 is clear, your lordship.
Not annexure 2, which is the khata number, plot number, so that we can ask straight away Mr. Mahapatra what has happened to the road. That's it.
That one.
Somebody is to state this.
Annexed 2 years. Then there is
Mr.
a.
Panda, the simple thing.
Minor.
Suppose it has not been shown as a road, as my esteemed brother is point out.
Minor.
It has not been shown as a road in any map, right?
Yes.
But you are just using it.
No,
Let
no,
us-
no, there is a. Let's see.
Again, then you are to point out. He is very well. You are bringing it out.
Okay,
You are
Google map, your lordship, whether you are-
without listening us. You are taking giving. You see, the very pertinent question that has been asked to you, that whether that particular land which are being used by you as a road to approach that 150, whether it has been shown as a road, and if yes, what is the plot number, khata number? If it is not there, that is, if it is not there, but you are using it, then there is a provision in CRPC itself, right to user, the easement. This is 148 of the CRPC. So if someone obstructs you, you can approach the executive magistrate that it is creating breach of peace. That provision is there.
Yes.
So right of user. Suppose for years together, you are using a plot of land for any market or any something like that. So that that can be also asserted through this provision. So, but your case as if that there was a road, you were using it, and if that is a road shown in that map,
Yes.
then you have to source that map. You have to show that what is the plot number, khata number.
Yes,
If that
I
is
will-
not
I will-
there, your
Mr.
upper-
Panda, just imagine, Mr. Bose prepares a map, like you have prepared in, Mr. Don't take it personally. And he shows the road coming inside from east gate of the High Court to the west gate.
No,
Suppose, don't say everything to know, because when you are assisted, you are yourself not prepared, with the greatest of respect. So when the court is trying to assist you,
Minor.
so don't say no, so don't say no and with folded hands. Please tell us so that we can ask him that whether there is a road or not.
Yes, I will clarify your lordship. Kindly peruse annexed.
No, don't clarify, but we don't require Mr. Panda. Mr. Panda, you bring it on record because this page 41 annex 4 is prepared by you. That's not a revenue map.
But to annex 30, page number 34 annexed 2 is prepared by the PDA.
30?
34, my lord. Page number-
You have taken 15 minutes to show that.
Yes, I will take.
So we in page 34, which is the road? Kindly show that.
This is west, there is a left side, there is a written as a west, and there is a mark only. This is the road, prepared.
Don't speak, sir. Show the map, sir. Map is to be read. It cannot be spoken.
More
Who jagare road ta apna who plot kar
309.
309.
This is the preparing the road, your lordship, without road map. Without road
Sir,
map, preparing the road. Fixing the road.
Mr. Mahapatra at least also sees 309. We also see 309. Mr. Naik also.
এটা লেখা ହେଇଛି ଉନ୍ନତ ଯୋଜନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତଳେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କିସମ ହଉଛି ଉନ୍ନତ ଯୋଜନା
ନାଇଁ।
ସେଇଟା ଯଦି ସେମାନେ ଉନ୍ନତ ଯୋଜନା ପାଇଁ
Okay,
ରଖିଛନ୍ତି
sorry।
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ସେ ରୋଡ ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେଠି
My lord, kindly peruse the, because all the.
Panda, this is public property. This can't be.
Actions by
Mr.
the-
Panda, there will be always.
But the violator, clear violation.
Mr. Panda, don't. Mr. Panda, even if try to understand the issue.
My lord.
You are saying so. You are on top of your brief. You are saying so many things. But let us concentrate on the issue. You want a road, which is the road shown in the map. You are showing 309, which is not a road.
309 from 309 through to 7P, your lordship, from part.
so who
They have
says-
started this construction mark also.
all those persons who are having their houses, they are to sacrifice some of their land by for
We need
taking
only
a private
56
road.
your lordship.
Whatever, sir, you need, sir.
Boundary wall, maybe whatever it may be. Otherwise, you cannot. Question is of direction. Who is issuing a mandamus to do these things? So it is totally illegal.
Let senior may take instruction, your lordship. Till then, no.
All right, Mr. Panda, if you would have shown today, at least you would have taken instruction. That is difficulty. We are trying to assist you. We come up with a specific case that which is the road and which is not to be done or yet to be done.
In para 4, I am placing your lordship B. In para 6, page number 6, para B. I am placing your lordship from plot number. Their certain deploying.
Mr. Panda, you showed that, you have read it. We don't take that much of time. So you can read for your satisfaction. That's another thing.
So the notice has been made sufficient.
B. That respect is submitted here that this year, while the opposite
Who is
party.
appearing, just a minute, who is appearing for 4 and 5, notice is sufficient.
Sir,
4 and 5, my lord. Four my lords, I am
Dear
appearing.
Counsel, Mr. Mahapatra.
Acha.
First 4 I am appearing, my
Even,
lords.
Mr. Naik is appearing for 1, 2, 6.
4, 5, okay.
5 only.
Your Lordship, I am appearing for opposite party number 5.
5, okay.
Yes.
Commissioner Bhubaneswar Municipality.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And Mr. Mahapatra, you are appearing for number 4.
Number 4, my lord.
Yes,
Vice Chairman.
Okay.
It should have been,
And
my lords,
the-
Cuttack Bhubaneswar Development Authority represented through secretary. But anyway, they made it Vice Chairman, my lords.
All right, all right. So, but 1, 2, 3, and 6,
Six,
you are
yes.
appearing.
Government.
Right. Lekhondu, the notice issued to opposite parties number 4 and 5 are sufficient. After valid service, and it is held to be sufficient. Mr. Danand Mahapatra and senior advocate appears for opposite party number 4. Stop. What is your good name, madam?
Advocate Upasana Mohanty, Your Lordship.
Upasana Mahanti, advocate, land council, appears.
You are with your senior or you are.
With my senior, Your Lordship, with my senior.
What's the name?
Arnav Dash.
Arnav Das. Mr. Arnav said that you have already filed your wakalatnama.
Yes, Your Lordship, we have filed the wakalat.
Already filed wakalatnama, so it is on record or what? Yes.
It's reflecting in the court.
All right. I've already entered appearance for opposite party number 5. The land council for the state appears for opposite parties number 1, 2, 3, and 6. Mr. Mahapatra and senior advocate appearing for the opposite party numbers
4.
points that though he has received some instruction over phone regarding this writ petition, but he may be given some time to file a detailed affidavit, and the matter may be taken off after the ensuing summer vacation. Put up this matter in the
Mr. Arya Das,
Yes, ma'am.
senior counsel, along with Mr. Arya Das.
Arya Das, so put up this
Construction work is going on. Your
put
Lordship.
up this matter in
Give
the.
them no question.
Sorry. Put up this matter on. Put it also keep it on 25th June 20. Yes.
My humble submission before Lordship. Now they are going to construct. Already damages are all the.
Next item. Yes.
Item 4.
Public property, sir. Must understand what you are praying, that you want public authority, public
Section
property,
23 and
so whether
22,
you should have the.
24 along with the 30
Yes.
without any objection they started.
जहाँ ଆମେ କିଣିଲୁ ଆମେ ପୁରା ସେ ଜାଗାଟାକୁ ପୁରା ମାଡି ବସୁ ଘର ତିଆରି କରିଦଉ ବାକି ଘରେ କୋଉଠୁ ରାସ୍ତା କୋଉଠୁ ଯିବ
Individual greed and public property is a competing claim.
without any kind of plan approval ଯାହା ମିଳିଲା ସବୁତକ ସମ୍ପତ୍ତିରେ ଆଗେ ଘରଟା କରିଦିଅ ବାଉଣ୍ଡରୀଟା
Nice, sir. Man, something.
yes all right we'll see that
Public.
item number 4
My lord, here
Item 4.
public
Yes.
litigation. My lord, tender has been given to the private opposite parties. There are two brothers, two brothers. Though they have been blacklisted by competent authority. Your lordship may kindly turn to page 23 for a moment. Capital A.
no who are you
My lord, I am a public who has up with this public interest.
when the tender was floated
Yes, tender was floated, my lord, on 20/10/2023.
and when it was finalized
Yes, it was finalized on, my lord, work order was issued on 19/2/2024.
19 to 2024
Yes.
what
My
you
lord-
are doing till
My
today
lord, after coming to know all these documents, my lord, I am only praying that an inquiry be made that how a person who has been blacklisted has been given the tender and the entire money is now going to be transferred to his account. Your lordship will, if your lordship may kindly have a
Tender
glance.
has already been floated
Yes,
and they have already it has been finalized they must have entered into the agreements
But
and steps must have been taken.
They have supplied this is
In
from
this case, what happened, my lord?
Yes.
There was a condition to supply chicks of 4
day
weeks,
old.
4 weeks. But the successful bidder supplied the chicks of 15 days, 12 days, so all the chicks died.
Hmm.
And in that respect, complaint were made
Hmm.
to different CDPO.
Hmm.
That's why the petitioner.
and he being a blacklisted firm,
No.
he was
Is it-
ignored and
You are,
ignored and gave it.
I mean, your instruction is that it's a blacklisted
No.
firm.
From the case record, I have not received any.
Then be careful, because we will record that
Making the submission without obtaining inspection.
No, the blacklisted, I have provided the document in.
No, he is saying that allegation is that
Yes,
instead of providing 4 days old chick, he provided 15 days old
yes,
chick.
that is, that is my, and the blacklisted.
You are, I mean, a poultry farmer or what?
No, I am not.
You are public spirited.
Public person. No poultry farm.
Are you,
এটা কোন গোটে ছুটিরে ফাঁকা মিললা না কোন ওটা
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଉଠିଥିଲା ଭେକେସନ ଆଗରୁ ମୁଁ ପାର୍ଟି କରିନଥିଲି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ withdraw
What is the
କରିକି
vegetarian?
press ପାଇଛି. The mistake was
Interesting
on my
chicken.
side that I did not make them the affected parties.
you are vegetarian
both of you are vegetarian
My lord, I have become vegetarian.
after that.
all right
Taking interest in chicken in the vacation.
put up this matter after and counsel for the state seeks some time to obtain instruction in the matter. Place this matter on 26th of June 2025. Yes.
My lord, I only pray your lordship may direct in the interim, let them not release the funds in favor of the
Live.
client.
Yes, Mr. Boast live birds. We do not know
No.
who are the
Not on the supply of chicks.
already
Funds
in
cannot
fact
release.
you have ticked that issue that chicks are dying. So in we do not know who will supply and who is to
No, no, but-
take care of those chicks.
Not the chicks. My interim.
All right, all right.
is-
Yes, next.
Item 5.
Government, can I take notice on the?
No, we have just letting obtain instruction.
All right.
Yes. Item number.
Item 5.
May please the lordship, Milord. The present petition challenging the order passed by the CGM Kotak, Milord, under Annexure 6, Milord, miscase number 91/23, Milord. The present petition, Milord,
DRT is closed or what?
My lord,
DRT is not available.
my lord, I am not sorry, but the present
Against 14 order, can you not, have you not the section 17 recourse?
no, Milord, under section 14, Milord, there is the
14 order ta upon challenge kartanti whether you cannot have any
It is not
alternative
applicable.
efficacious forum. How many decisions of the Supreme Court you have that there is alternative remedy against section 14? Why we will entertain this?
I am relying decision on Calcutta.
No, don't, we are giving you a number of Supreme
Court
Court decision that against 14, 17 is the remedy.
My lord, I am the not a lonely, Milord. The petition is the Milord, the city.
Satyavati, Tandon, 2010, 8 Supreme Court cases, 1110, Cellular LLP, so many cases are
My
there.
lord, the present.
Phoenix ARC, Private Limited. They're all says that against 14, 17 remedies there.
My
And
And,
it's a very strict view also.
and they have stated that in spite of repeated, the High Court is entertaining such type of petition and very strict.
My humble submission is that petition is the not lonely, Milord.
Whatever it may be, you have an alternative remedy, go there and raise all those points. Look,
My lord,
the
the
petition, has
liberty,
been-
Milord, I mean, give me the protection,
the
Milord.
writ petition has been filed by the petitioner so and so, challenging the order dated 23/3/2024 passed by the Lennon CJ in miscase number 91 of 2023 under section 14 of the Surface Height Act. Include these relevant paragraphs of those decisions. One is Union of India versus Satyavati Tandon, 2010, 8 SCC 110. Okay. Next is Balkrishna Rama Tale versus Phoenix ARC Private Limited, 2023 1 SCC 662. That relevant paragraph is paragraph number 5. Then Cellular LLP versus Bhakna Motors, Mumbai Private Limited, 2024 to SCC 1. To relevant paragraph due to alternative remedy available. Since alternative remedy is available to the petitioner to challenge the informed order, we are not inclined to entertain this petition, which is according to dismissed. Yes, next.
You are at liberty to file.
You are at liberty, you can approve. There is no question of granting of the
Field filing, Miller. Field filing, give me the interpretation.
To the petitioner to seek appropriate remedy in accordance with law. Yes.
The filing, Miller, the giving the protection.
No, we are saying that we will not entertain and will pass the interim order. Yeah, next.
Item 6.
And the petitioner land has been acquired and the estimate has been made, lordship, while annex was filed. The petitioner has not been paid the compensation amount for which the petitioner gave a representation to the RDC Sambalpur and on 3rd October 2023.
No, where is the land details that your land has been acquired? Which land?
Yes, my ROR is Annex 1. And they have admitted that.
Where is they have admitted?
Yes, that your lordship can see page 56, madam. The estimate was there, madam. I have obtained on the right to information. Page 56, madam.
56. Okay.
That is 1,68,73,350.
It is
The petitioner's name is there, my lord.
where is that?
Yes,
Bhagavan Pradhan.
Bhagavan Pradhan, madam.
Page 56 re.
Yes, madam.
Who jagar ko nandi?
Sorry, top lordship. Bhagavan Pradhan. Name of the owner. Father name and residence.
56 Bharatmala Pariyojana.
No.
Which is the written number?
Yes, Bharatmala Pariyojana. Yes.
Khuliapalli, Thana Sambalpur.
Yes.
Sambalpur. Top of the name
21,
of the
serial number 21 re.
Bhagavan Pradhan.
Acha, towards the right hand you have to say. It's not on the top. Extreme right. Bhagavan Pradhan, son of Vaikuntha.
So this is this assessment has been made that you are entitled to get this much of amount. What happened?
They have not released. That's why I am giving a representation to the RDC. RDC was forwarded the same on 19/10/2023 by Annex of 7, page 60. The lordship can see. But till 2 years, more than near about 2 years have been passed, no action has been taken. That's why I am before this honorable court.
No, have you made this National Highways Authority as party in this?
The petitioner has party, madam.
Who is the?
Project director is there, madam. And opposite number 1 is there.
Whether it is your case that you are not accepting it because of it is in the lower side?
No, that is not there, madam.
Totally not fair.
Yeah, whatever, I have not any objection regarding this, but not has been disbursed.
So National Highway Authority, the council, I think the senior advocate was appearing earlier. Amitabh Das.
Now that is pending before the collector being the land acquisition.
No, you will be satisfied with this disposal of the representation.
Yes.
NHI collected the arbitrator, I think, NHI Act.
No, even if collector land acquisition officer.
Land acquisition is different. Land acquisition cannot be the
Because
collector
the
district.
RDC
LA collector, Mr. Manti, LA collector and the district magistrate are different.
No,
Don't make us that mistake. So we direct.
RDC has also forwarded the same to the collector, madam.
Collector in administrative capacity takes care of everything, all revenue matters. But LA collector is you have made him OP5, collector is OP4.
Both the collector from my lord have come the collector from
That provision is not there, Mr. Martin. Arbitration provision.
Yes.
Arbitration is there, 3H5. TH5 is there and against that order 3H6 is there, also the appeal is there before the district.
You are facing a difficult court, Mr. Manti.
Mr. Das, are you not appearing nowadays for the National Highways Authority?
Yes, madam.
Oh, you have not been served with a petition. He is satisfied that if a direction the collector to dispose of the representation, but once these orders are in your favor, the assessment has been made, why are you not asking them to take instruction as to why that has not been, in spite of assessment, why that has not been paid? Why you are will be satisfied with the disposal of the representation?
No, I am not satisfied.
No, you say you are just saying.
They are not taking steps. That's why this one let the decision taken.
When we wanted to issue notice, You just said that representation.
There's the decision be taken by, because whether they have not, why they have not.
अरे कौन पाई बंद करी रखी आपनकर असेसमेंट हे साइला पर आपनको फेवर रे सेटा जानिबा को आपनकर भी इच्छा नाही आपन कौन पाई बंद करी रखी चंदी कौन पाई दउना दिस असेसमेंट कर देले आपनको जमी निया हला compensation you are entitled to get. In spite of that, why it is not being paid, the instruction can be obtained by him, but you say that representation let it be disposed of. Representation is of the year 2023. We are in 2025. Again, it will take another, we'll give you time for 3 months. So we are asking you, will you be satisfied with this representation disposal, or you want that let him take instruction?
Let the disposal, representation may be disposed.
All right, this petition has been filed by the petitioner Bhagwan Pradhan for a direction to the opposite party number 4, Sambalpur, to consider the representation filed by him under Annexure 6. Further, with further direction to pay compensation amount to the petitioner within stipulated time. The case of the petitioner is that his land has been acquired by the authorities, NH authorities for the purpose of Sambalpur Ring Road project coming under Bharatmala Pariyojana, and the land details have been provided in paragraph number 3, and after the land was acquired, the assessment report has also been prepared under Annexure 4, which indicates the name of the petitioner and what amount the petitioner is entitled to get. And though the same has been prepared way back on 15/3/2023, but it has not been paid to the petitioner, for which he has submitted a representation under Annexure 6 before the before the opposite party number 3, Revenue Divisional Commission, Northern Division, Sambalpur, and submits that direction may be issued for disposal of the.
And the same was forwarded to the collector, by the Annexure 7.
Which was forwarded to the collector by the RDC. Collector is opposite party number?
Collector is opposite number 4,
4. By later dated 19/10/2023 under Annexure 7. Considering the limited nature of grievance of the petitioner, without expressing any opinion on the merits of the representation, the writ petition is disposed of, that the opposite party number 2, if he has not already taken a decision on the representation of the petitioner dated 3/10/2023, which was forwarded to him by later dated 19/10/2023, shall take a decision within 3 months of the receipt of the certified copy of the order and communicate the decision to the petitioner within 2 weeks of taking the decision. Needless to say, if for disposal of the representation, personal hearing of the petitioner is necessary, the same shall be provided to the petitioner according to the writ petition which is for opposite party before house contact 2 is secretary before collector opposite party number 4. Yes.
Serial number 9 also same.
Just a minute. The representation. Disposal. Nine disposal.
Please don't.
सी कौन सी जो से रिप्रेजेंटेशन नंबर सब समान अच्छी ना अलग अलग अच्छी पेज में समान अच्छी नेक्स्ट
serial number 9.
All right. Next.
Item 7.
7, Mr. Behra.
Here, petitioner challenging the compensation amount under Annex 7, you also running with 47.
Order ହେଇଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Your mic, no, this is separate.
28 application order କେତେଟା ହେଇଥିଲା?
This is a different matter.
What is the matter?
And my application under section 28A has been allowed.
Yeah.
Estimate and compensation has been assessed under Annex 4 running page 33 dollars.
Sanction ହେଇନି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ।
ନା sanction ହେଇଛି କମ amount
ନାଇଁ my amount has assessed at 63,75,146.
କୋଉଠି?
Running page 33 dollars.
33 ହଁ କଣ ହେଲା ତାପରେ?
Has been assessed 63,75,146.
Yeah.
But the director has sanctioned the amount running page 37 Annex 7 only was 45,41,000. Being agreed with the petitioner before yours. Running page 37 dollars.
first line I am directed to convey the sanction
45 lakhs ଏଟା କେତେ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫେଭର ରେ?
63,75,146. This is 4,41,110.
So why there is a reduction of that amount?
there to obtain instruction.
Whether it has been challenged somewhere and it has been reduced or for some reason or the other. All right. Take instruction on the matter. Yes, writ petition has been filed by the petitioner, S.K.SAHOO, challenging the sanction order dated 13/2/2025 issued by the director, R&R opposite party number 2 under Annexure 7. The Land Council for the petitioner submitted that as per the judgment and order dated 22/12/2017 of the Land and Civil Judge Nuapada, passed in LAR number 188 of 2017. That calculation sheet
Running page 33 dollars.
33.
Annex 4.
Mark 54 को लिख दिया। Serious discrepancy. A calculation sheet of decretal dues has been prepared under section 28A of the Land Acquisition Act, and it would show that the amount has been assessed to rupees 63,75 पर आउट कमा दे दियंतु 146 year words रे लिखि दियंतु the it appears from Annexure 5, which is a letter issued by the Director R&R and ex officio Additional Secretary to Government. कितने number opposite party?
Opposite party number 2.
2, which is addressed to Special LA and RRO LIIP, Khariar Nuapada. It is opposite party number
2.
3. That during scrutiny of the compliance report, some points were observed, and therefore it was requested to re-examine the application on the points mentioned therein, and to furnish necessary compliance report
That has been complied, Your Honor.
to the department.
That has been complied under Annexure 6.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that after receipt of such letter, the special LA so has complied with the same and indicated therein that the petition submitted under section 20 of the LA Act 1894 appears to be a genuine one and may be accepted. And accordingly, the up-to-date calculation sheet was resubmitted along with notice, hearing report, declaration, LA Collector Award, and copy and 2080 application, and genealogy and judgment of the LA number 88/2017 of the petitioner. The Land Council further submits that in spite of such favorable order passed in favor of the petitioner under Annexure 7, the Director R&R so has only sanctioned an amount of rupees 45,41,106 towards the decretal dues under section 28A of the LA Act in favor of petitioner and others. The Land Council submits that without any cogent reason, the calculation amount, the amount as reflected in the calculation sheet and
it is disclosed in a calculation that so maybe this calculation 45 lakhs. Is 36. It is not disclosed at the calculation page. So Vera, have you seen that 36 enclosures? There are about 6-7 enclosures. Have you seen that? Any instruction on that? Look at page 36. Third up-to-date calculation sheet. So where is that? Because it has to be after 27/9/24. So where is that? Oh, this is the forwarding letter. So maybe the calculations has been changed after.
We are presuming that it remains same because it is a claim is genuine. It has been mentioned, so it has been resubmitted. So whether that amount has been changed, lakhs to this 45, or it has remained same in spite of that.
The petitioner has nothing.
And 37 also refers to S.K.SAHOO, not Kalapika. So then apportionment and all these things, unless you get to those details of 36, what has been mentioned in 36, you have to verify.
The S.K.SAHOO and others are S.K.SAHOO bracket father of the petition. Without any cogent reason, the amount has been reduced. Stop. Issue notice on the question of admission, indicating therein that the matter shall be disposed of at the stage of admission. You are accepting the notice?
Yes.
Land Council for the state accepts notice on behalf of all the opposite parties. Extra copies of the writ petition be served on the Land Council for the state by Monday. By Monday, matter be placed 4 weeks after counter affidavit, if any, be filed in India. Yes.
Item 8.
Here, my lord, petitioner is a restaurant on-shop licensing. He was prohibited to leave small size of, that is 180 ml liquor. A large number of cases were filed and maintained as an interim. My lord knows 180 ml.
Issue him the interim order kichi.
He has filed some hundreds.
Near about.
Sina said that he has a boss now. The boss moves around the state. Wherever there is a restaurant, they are riding that boss and 180 ml.
Only matter, all matter will be kept to 2nd July.
Council को ना change हो.
Only council. My lord was part of that first order. London Bar Restaurant. এটা মানে recently it has been passed by honorable chief justice.
नहीं जो डिटेल जजमेंट है कहीं
So detail it has been changed by honorable chief justice.
এটা আসিও খালি লেখা
Only
হইছে
to allow leave the 180 as interim.
petition will be allowed to leave the liquor also bottled on volumes 1 so till the next date of এতি অর্ডার যেন পাস হইছে
नहीं सर ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି ପ୍ରଥମେ ଯୋଉଟା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା ପରେ ଏଇଟା ସବୁ କଭର୍ଡ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସମସ୍ତେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନେଟିଭ ସେଟା ସେ ଅପସନ୍ ସର
ତେଣୁ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ବି ହେଇଛି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଅଛି
ସେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର
ତା ସହିତ ତ ଆସିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇଟା ଏଇଟା ଏଇ ଯାହା ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି ଖାଲି କାଉନସିଲଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିକିନି ଏଇଟା along with ଏଇ WPC ନମ୍ବରଟା ତ ରହିବ ଆଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇ ନମ୍ବର ରହିବ Second July.
and carry out the suggested changes that ସୁବିଧା ହବ ସେ ସୁବିଧା ହୁଏ
Ballot item 15.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମ ଆଉ କିଛି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବାର ନାହିଁ
Nothing. Only one of
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା କୋଉଟା କୋଉଟା କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
about 15, 16, 22.
ଜଷ୍ଟ 15
16,
16
22.
22
Malam.
এই ତିନିଟା ତ
ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଫିସ୍ ନେଇଥିଲି ହଁ only council of name of the council has to be changed.
କୋଉଟା ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ପ୍ରଥମଟା 8 ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କନେକ୍ଟେଡ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅଛି 15 16 and 22 right yeah
Published.
Yes, sir.
Item 10.
Regarding disposal of my 28 application, similar order I have also annexed running page 19. Annex 3 order.
ଯୋଉଟାକ ଟାଇମ ଭିତରେ ପାଇଯାଇଛି
Yes, sir.
3 months ଭିତରେ
Yes. Item 29, 3 to 20 judgments.
ଦେଖି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କଭର୍ଡ ଖାଲି ଓନ୍ଲି ଦରକାର ଦ୍ୟାଟ ପିରିୟଡ ଯୋଉ 3 months ପିରିୟଡ ସୋ ଏଟା କୋଉଗୁଡାକ ଏଇ ଅଛି ତା ଦେହରେ ସେ କରେକ୍ସନ ବି କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆନେକ୍ସର 3 ରେ
ମିଶ୍ର କାଟି ପକେଇବେ
ହଁ ହଁ
183 of 2010
ଏସବୁ କରିଦେଇଛେ ଯାହା ଇଏରେ ସୋ କୋଉଟା କୋଉଟା
Only 10 and 14.
10 and 14 10 and 14 ରେ ଅଛି ଆନେକ୍ସଚର୍ସ ଅଛି ଆନେକ୍ସଚର 3 ଯାହା ଅଛି ସେଟା କରେକ୍ସନ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ ସେଗୁଡା କ୍ୟାରି ଆଉଟ୍
ये आनेक्सर ଟା ଦେଖିଦେବେ କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବରଟା ଖାଲି ଦେଖିଦେଲେ
ହଁ ତାପରେ ଏଲଏଆର କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବରଟା ଟିକେ ଭେରିଫାଏ କରିଦେବେ ଯଦିଓ ସେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତଥାପି ଭେରିଫାଏ କରିଦେବେ ୟେସ୍ ନେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଗୁଡାକ
Your Lordship, this matter regarding the compensation has been assessed and sent to the director for sanctions. But till date has not been sanctioned. It
वो ଏବେ ହେଇଛି 25
page 27.
similar, Your Lordship, the similar matter that proceeded to 7th of 7th July की ଅଛି.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ରେ କଣ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା ହଉଛି 11 ଅର୍ଡର
11, 12 and 13.
ତା ଦେହରେ ଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବ ନା ଆଉ
ଅଛି 7, 7.
ଏଟା ଅଛି ଯେ 7/7/25 ରେ ଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବନି
ଟିକେ ଏଫର୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ
ଆରେ କଣ ହେବ
18/12/24
ବୁଝିଲେ ଯେ ଏଇଗୁଡାକ ଇଏ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ପିଟିସନର କାଶୀରାମ ମାଝୀ ଆପଣ ଗୋଲ ବୁଲେଇବେ ତା ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଟା କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ତ କେବେ ସମାନ ହେଇନଥିବ ନା ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର ସେଇଆ ତ କୁହା ହଉଛି ଆଉ କଣ ସେଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିକି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Yes, yes.
ତ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର 11
11, 12 and 14.
ହଁ ରହିଲା ସେ ତା ଦେହରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇ ଯାହା କରିବେ ଆଡଜନ ହଉଛି ଆଉ କଣ ସେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବେ ତିନିଟା ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା କପି କରିଦେବେ 11 ନମ୍ବର 12 ନମ୍ବର 13 ନମ୍ବର ଯୋଉଟା ରହିଛି ତାର କଣ କଣ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବ ସବୁ କରିଦେବେ ୟେସ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ
ଯୋଉ ଡେଟ୍ କୁ ଯାଇଛି ସାର୍
ସେଇ ଡେଟ୍ ହଁ ଓକେ
ସେମ ଡେଟ୍ କୁ ଯିବ
ସେମ୍ ଡେଟ୍ ହଁ ତାପରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ନାଇଁ ସେଗୁଡା ତ ଅଛି ଆଉ ସାଇମଲ୍ଟେନିୟସଲି ଆସୁ ସେଇଦିନ ଆପଣ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ଏକାଠି ନାଇଁ
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ସେଇ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ପଳେଇ ଆସୁ ସବୁ ଗୁଡାକ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଥିରେ ଇଏ କରିବେ
ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ
ସେମ ଡେଟ୍ ହେଇଯିବ
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 17.
MS Law College रो गोटे order pass ହେଇଥିଲା से जो boundary को लागी कि नहीं construction activities in spite of the interim order passed on Tuesday, the memo has been filed that it is being flouted, and the students have also lodged FIR before the, I think, Malgodown police station, but construction activities is going on. Ask the nice CNC. Number one, number two, that IAC of Malgodown police station and of receiving all roads are yes, that's about simple side. So we'll take up this matter at 12:45 and then do this appear to what yes. Whatever. Yes, next. And the council should also be informed. They are not aware that phone kariye. Provision whatever take up over, है ना? Yeah.
Item 17.
Immediately what we get. Item 17, Mr. Swine. The memo file कर दिला रहेगा. इनको बात तो पुराना non appears दिला. किसी कारण unnecessarily. Look on non appears after vacation.
Item 18.
The option sale notice, Annexure 1 is under challenge. Which is the bona fide purchase of latest stone. Annexure 2, I purchased the latest stone in Form Y, which is the bona fide purchaser.
No, what are you challenging?
Annexure 1, madam. Option sale notice, madam. Annexure 1 now. You can read Odia, Mr. Budhia. Yes, no difficulty. They have given the reasons why they are upset. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ପ୍ରଦାନ କରାଯାଇଥିବା ନାକୁ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ୱାଇଫ ର ନକଲ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଆଇନ ସମ୍ମତ କିମ୍ବା ଗ୍ରହଣୀୟ ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ମାତ୍ରାରେ ମାଙ୍କଡା ପଥର ଜମା କରିବା ନିମନ୍ତେ କୌଣସି ଅନୁମତି କୌଣସି ଅଧିକାରୀଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ନେଇନାହାନ୍ତି because ମାଙ୍କଡା ପଥର is a specific minor mineral. The sources are identified and known. So how can you have that in so much of quantity?
What happened, my lord? I purchased Form Y and subsequently to construct poultry farm in my plot and phase 30, my lord.
Why? And Form Y, they have said that ain sambatta kima grahaniya nuho. They are illegal or are not acceptable. So, I mean, in the proceeding you participated.
Yes, madam.
Have you given your show cause?
Yes, madam.
Have you annexed that?
Annexure 5, yes, madam.
Annexure?
Annexure 5. And
so concentrate on Annexure 5. What is your answer to those two queries? That is how you, I mean.
Annexure 4 is the notice given by them.
Annexure 5 taku dekhontu, padontu, so that you can know what is your contention.
Yes, my contention is.
So you don't have to tell us. Apna niche dekhontu. You do not refer to any Form Y.
Yeah, I've given the entire.
କୋଉଥିରେ Annexure 5 ରେ ଓଡିଆରେ କୋଉଥିରେ Annexure ମାନେ Form Y ଟା କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି?
ଆମ ଘରେ ମୁଁ ଅମଗଠୁ ନେଇ ଆସିଛି ସେ ଜମି ଆଣିଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ବାଉଣ୍ଡରୀ ବୁଲିବା ପାଇଁ. This is not the reply, proper reply.
Notice under Annexure 4 is also illegal, madam. And not according with law. Page 31, lordship kindly refer, madam.
So, and
they issue notice.
So obviously they have to take a decision once they have issued show cause to you.
Madam.
Why have you come in this writ petition?
Challenge Annexure 1, madam. Because the notice given by the authority now Annexure 4 is not accordance with law, madam. 51 notice they have given.
And this order is applicable, fact finding, because once you are into that issue, whether Annexure Y is validly obtained Because you have named a mine owner also.
Yes, madam.
So then you have to show that.
Also put the signature on the form Y.
Sir, putting signature, anyone can put a signature anywhere, sir. It's a question of whether you are having that quantity of this quantity not mentioned.
Because NHI want to acquire my plot. That is the reason letter is pending lying on my plot.
The authority concerned has to take a decision basing on your show cause and against which appeal is there. Question is that why have you filed this writ petition when they have not taken any decision on your show cause and your show cause is dated 24/4/2025.
My lord.
Any instruction you have received, Mr. Lord?
I have not received instruction. My lord, basing on the show cause
Yeah.
by the petitioner, the decision that is taken, that is at annexure 1, which is under challenge in the writ petition. The lordship will kindly have a glance. This is under challenge. Now, my learned friend submission that he has purchased the stone, the laterite stone from another licensee. The lordship will look at the form Y. Even that is at annexure 2 series.
Oh, this is the order. Acha, it have already decision taken on.
Yes, yes.
So, which is the authority against whom this order can be challenged? Appeal.
64.
ये देखिए
64 जो EPS ना by OMMC
46 in C.
बरे
वो बॉइट आपण धरछन्ती को केते नंबर पेज कोन
Reading this book, law of mines.
minor mineral concession rule 2016
Concession 2016. 46, your lordship. Procedure for filing appeal. Any person aggrieved by the order of the competent authority may within 1 month from the date of communication of the order refer an appeal or makes against such order to the sub-collector. If the order is passed by the tahsildar, the collector.
then this is mining officer.
It is mining officer ଅଛି
Amended provision ରେ ଅଛି ସେଟା
ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥିଲୁ ବୋଧେ ସେଦିନ ମାଇନିଂ ଅଫିସର ହେଲେ କାହାକୁ ଯିବ appeal?
sir it is divisional forest officer joint director passed by the mining officer to deputy director mines. DDM mines is the jurisdictional पदे कटक हबो.
Is sent by the annexure 4 is not according with law.
Sir, these please Budhya, it is very simple. These please you have to take before the fact finding authority. Can the writ court reopen this issue, delve into the issue why firm why somebody, some Agarwal is the owner of these things? So you have a not only efficacious and a better efficacious and appropriate remedy under of appeal.
Not only that point.
So you raise that point.
One notice is issued, but not according with the law.
Correct.
Take all those points.
Take all those points.
This writ petition has been filed by the petitioner Abhay Kumar Majhi, challenging the order dated 9/5/2025 passed by the opposite party number 3 mining officer Katak Circle Katak stop. Section 46 of the Odisha Minor Mineral Concession Rules in 2016 deals with procedure for filing appeal, and it states that if the order is passed by the mining officer, then appeal lies to the director. Stop. Deputy director, sir. No. If the order is passed by the mining officer or deputy director, to the director.
ठीक अछि त
Director. Either mining officer pass kuru order by deputy director.
both directors.
Director. Director.
Director of mines.
Director of mines. Would be since alternative, the London Council for the petitioner submits that the issuance of show cause notice is without jurisdiction, and the authority concerned while passing impugned order under annexure 1 has not taken into account the points raised by the petitioner in the show cause. All such aspects can be taken in the appeal by the petitioner, which is to be adjudicated in accordance with law. We are not expressing any opinion on the appeal, on the merits of the appeal to be filed by the petitioner. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to approach the appellate authority in accordance with law.
Is there no course of action? No. Till filing of the appeal,
You filed that, you move the authority for any
that
relief.
observation can be given.
Suppose we debar you, can you not file?
It is
So
there.
what is there to be observed?
Observation is easy for me to.
That is already there.
This 51(1) is not according with law, my lord. Completely annexure 4. Notice and
If so advised, the petitioner can seek for interim relief
That
before the
provision is
appeal.
already there, man. 46(3) that
ସେ ଗୋଟେ
ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ୍ ଟା ଚାହୁଁଛୁ
ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ଯେ
ଛୁଟିରେ ଆଉ କଣ କରାଯିବ? Yes, next.
Item 19.
Yes, 19.
I have to, after I have to dispose of them, I have to file a second decision. The second appeal, I have to deposit 10% of it.
10 covered matter.
And this
Both
is covered.
ତାକୁ କରେକ୍ସନ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
ନାଁଟା କରି ଦେଖେ ଦିଗନ୍ତ ମିଷ୍ଟର
We have done 19 and 21 both.
କାଉନସିଲ ର ନାଁ ବି ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
କଣ ପଢି ଦେଇଛ?
19 and 21.
Necessary correction also.
Please dispose of. 19, 20. अच्छा कोर्ट रे 19 कोर्ट 21 लिखा है, लिख दीजिए ना. ठीक है.
Item 20.
The petitioner is challenging the rejection of his technical bid, which is under Annexure 6, page 286, with the order of rejection, whereby the petitioner's bid has been rejected without assigning any particular reason for such rejection. Even though the petitioner here assumes
So Acharya, there is an internal mechanism. You will go to the tender committee or something in every advertised in some cases. It is notified that you will go before the authority for any of your grievance redressal. Is it there in this notice?
No, my lords, it is not there. Because a similar matter has already been filed. The same authority has issued multiple tenders. In one such other tender, this petitioner has also approached this honorable court. Whereby this court has taken cognizance of the matter, issued notice. The matter is for final hearing on 30th April. And this is the outcome.
See, देखो.
Tender finance bid already opened.
No, it's a limited unless it is malified
Yes.
or this is a public policy. All those decisions.
On the general.
Otherwise,
So that is how Odisha has this, and this is a better alternative. If you go to the authority, suppose they can condone it, it will be. But litigation may not lead you there.
Well, let's
This matter.
in the similar matter, coordinate bench.
verify because there are so many hurdles. Tata Cellular to आरंभ करी जो सब principle let down है unless exceptional case नहले tender matter रे interference judicial review is not permissible. So many decisions are there. So,
My lord, have a glance to page 288 of his writ petition. The date for opening of the financial bid was fixed to 14th May 2025. So now in the meantime, the bid must have been opened and finalized and work order must have been issued. And a right must have been accrued.
Right, and that man is to be also
Yes,
made a
included as
party.
party and
Which one ଆପଣ ଦେଖଉଛନ୍ତି
Page 288.
288 ର
288 ର ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ financial bid opening date last
ମାନେ ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଏଟା 14 ମେ 2025 11ଟା ବେଳେ।
କଣ ଆପରେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କିଛି ଅଛି?
No, my lords. But in the previous matter, my lords, the matter which the order.
Serial number କେତେ? Previous matter जो କହୁଛନ୍ତି, be specific in your submission. Is it in that bid list? जोड़ा page 286.
No, my lord, it's a tender.
Then how could you say that?
Same authority in the same district, but a different tender for different.
Instruction आणतो कोण तापरे जाऊ कोण.
Different.
You just take instruction what has happened with the whether it has lekhondu. This writ petition has been filed by the petitioner Anand Kumar Agrawal for setting aside the decision of the tender evaluation committee under annexure 6 so far as the petitioner is concerned, and for a direction to the opposite parties to allow the petitioner to participate in the financial bid by declaring him as a qualified bidder in the technical bid for the work of construction of road from Dango Pakhan to Kontamal Road under so and so declared. The Learning Council for the state has pointed out from annexure 6 that the financial bid opening date was fixed to 14th May 2025 at 11 a.m. and it seeks some time to obtain instruction whether it was opened on that day, and if so, who is the successful bidder out of this matter after so on so forth. The date the
I may be permitted to pray, but
yes, next.
I may be permitted.
Item 23.
But there are more items also, 25 to 30.
Same.
खाली project name गुड़ा अलगा.
Project name गुड़ा अलगा से तादिर भी date थिला से 25 तारीख.
14.
अच्छा ये गुड़ा सब same होगा. 25, 26 and 27. आओ गुड़ा
28, 29.
28, 29, 30. The project ना गुड़ा कौन सी वाला अलगा है? Let's see. Yes, next.
My lord, only a small claim, my lord. If the bids have been opened, then at least it may be kept in seal cover like the previous
We
matter.
do not know. मैं इसी पर कहूँचंदी agreement जदि हे जाई थी वो कौन है थी वो नौजानी जिन गोटे vacuum रे order pass करिवा तो ठीक नहीं. कौन है थी let him take instruction and yes, next.
Item 23.
Just it's maybe agreed by the son of the opposite party is not communicating about the notice inviting tenders to the smaller works, which is in violation of the profitability quotal provisions as well as series of instructions issued by the government. Lord, may kindly turn to page 23 for smaller works like
So कितने page?
Page 23. This is an extract of the OPWD code. Kindly see that 9A below that amendment 2025. The notice inviting tender for works costing more than 10,000 but up to 5 lakhs should be circulated among the local offices. A copy of the NIT should be sent to Contractors Association, all divisions of the PWD with district and concerned aid. Following this matter, page 26.
तुमको आपनकर 2006 रे पोर्टल थिला e-auction portals or e-bid portals were not available in 17/5/2006.
But provided it should be communicated to the Contractors Association and the petitioner is a association of contractors.
No, much water has flowed in the last 19 years. You are relying on something of 2006. We are considering 2025.
Instructions have been issued.
So the best transparent mechanism is uploaded in the portal of the state government.
It cannot be. That's what
there is a restriction.
There is for smaller works. It may not be uploaded in the.
You said cannot be. Now you are modifying it to be may not.
For larger works, it is to be gone through by the e-tender method. For smaller works, it is only to be circulated.
It is not in a particular work, but it's a general.
General, you are saying.
There, page 26. Can you see page 26? Page 26.
26.
Mr. Paddy, the category of contractor is also specified. There is no small or big work. Either it is to be for A class, B class, super class, C class.
Works costing 10,000 to 5 lakhs. It is only to be circulated among the local offices.
And only please show that. Where is it is said that it is restricted and it's our latest circular.
Amendment can see clause B, page 23, clause B can see. Below that, which I have read, for tenders costing more than 50,000 up to 10 lakhs shall be published in local newspapers. Thereafter, my lord, if your lordship see costing more than 100 lakhs shall be published.
Party, you are again in 2006. From 2006 to 2025.
This is valid period, and thereafter various instructions have been issued by the government from time to time up to 24. My lord, that's what I am taking your lordship to. Kindly see page 26.
All right. The petitioner, Mrs. Urmila Steel Fabrication, through the proprietor so and so, filed this writ petition with following reliefs. Quote 1 and 2. Referring to
page 23.
Initial I on page 23, that's the
17/5/2006.
clause 9.
23.
Page 23, that's it's OPWD code.
Referring to the executive instruction regarding calling for and acceptance of tenders.
Dated
for the work costing more than 10,000 but up to 5 lakhs. The London Council for the petitioner submits that the such type of tenders should be circulated among the contractors association of which the petitioner is a member, as envisaged under the OPWD code, as well as series of guidelines and instruction issued from time to time by the government in the Department of Water Resources, Odisha, but under Annexure
2 series,
under Annexure 2 series, which has been flouted by the opposite parties. Land Council for the state six some time.
I focus in another letter, page 15, paragraph 7 and 8.
Paragraph 7. Annexure 7, এটা কোন হবে? এটা contempt রে ওটা কোন?
Yes, my lord. Page 45 is the order in the writ petition. My lord, may I just, my lord senior is going to that, may I submit that? Page 45 is the order.
What instruction নিয়ন্তু? Maybe 7 after repeat করি.
The information I have
The party will be happy if you repeat 7.
The
information I have obtained, they are flouting it.
all right, put up this matter on such and such date on council for the state shall obtain instruction in the matter. You will appear for all the opposite parties, no?
Yes.
And council for the state submit that you will appear for all the opposite parties. Extra copies of the writ petition be served. Instruction be obtained, but date fix up for the we commencing you Rahuchi 7th July 7th July 2025. Instruction be obtained in the meantime. Okay, next.
Item 24.
30. Please, 24.
The very limited grievance, my lord. My request is that not be attended by the respondents, my lord. Pertaining to experience certificate issued by my lord's expired annexure 1 collect district medical and public health officers, my lords. A doubtful experience certificate has been issued by page 25 and 26, my lords. From primary side, so it is a fabricated one, my lords. Taking advantage of this experience certificate, my lords, in a tender at Assam, my lords, this has been annexed as a qualifying.
Mr. Swai, you are challenging experience certificate issued to you.
No. Challenging experience certificate issued to someone else, CMA,
PIL or what?
Yes,
PIL prayer.
Another organizations. Community action through motivation program.
How you are agreed? What is your local?
I am agreed because I am also applicant in that tender process, my lord.
See the prayer. What is the prayer?
I am also agreed by applicant is there, man. This has been issued by the Sundargarh district medical officer, man.
Instead of Buji actually, that is how I was asking.
null and void of the experience certificate issued by.
Prayer number 2, my also can see direct the respondents to conduct an independent.
No.
I have been representing to various organizations because there is a doubtful expense certificate has been issued.
No, a certificate, according to you, has
Yes.
been issued in favor of some persons.
Yes.
Which you are challenging here.
No, I am not challenging that. I am challenging the inactions of the government manners, not clarifying the regarding
So,
the.
kindly look at my lord is referring to your prayer actually, small a.
Yes, sir.
Be pleased to declare them null and void. That is what my lord is asking you.
Man, that I will not press, man. Second prayer I can press, man. First prayer, man, so I may not press right now, man. Second prayer is about clarity. The respondents should clarify the issuance of certificate.
For issuance of experience certificate,
Yes.
there must have been some procedure.
Yes, man. That procedure, man, district mineral fund chairman, collector should issue, my loss.
No.
Here it has been issued.
2021. This is 2021. You are saying, you are yourself said that 30th of August 2021.
You have to give examples that these are the procedure laid down.
Yes, ma'am.
And how it has been flouted, which cases have been flouted, in favor of whose it has been flouted. They are to be added as parties. So all these things are necessary. Apart from that, you are locus to challenge that experience certificate.
I have come.
So experience certificate
it
is not a public interest. Is it a public interest litigation?
Party, man. The representation filed annexure 3 to 12 have been filed before the respondent number 1 to 7. That has
So why you are a competing bidder?
Man, I am there in Assam.
So whatever Assam or any part of the country, if you are a competing bidder, that doesn't clothe you with a locus to challenge other bidders. Eligibility.
I'm not challenging that thing.
You have to go to the authority, compete there.
What is my limited prayer manner? My representation is pending before the 1 to 7. But
convert the High Court
whether the certificate is issued by the district medical officer is
See,
authentic or not.
we are not interested to dismiss any petition during vacation. So just put up after vacation. Yes, ma'am.
But in the meantime, see instruction, government may take an instruction on that issue. Whether
Next.
Item 31.
31.
May I please, Your Lordship? Here, matter relates to my lord. Tender of four-wheeler parking place at Kapilas, my lord. The Lordship may turn to page 11 and 1, my lord. This is the tender notice, my lord. I am concerned with serial number 11, my lord.
Four-wheeler parking gate.
Parking.
Kapilas Sikhatala Charichokia parking.
Yes, my lord. I have filed I am the highest bidder.
Sir, page 11. This is WPC 14850.
Yes, my lord.
Page 14, the agreement, the parking area has been specified.
So he's referring to page 11, the advertisement in Oriya, Dilamo Istahara, serial number 11. 11.
Yes.
Kapilas Sikhatala Charichokia parking.
Next page, my lord, I have
Kapilas pakhare kahi em ki Chandrasekhar ji ko pakhare
I became the highest bidder, my lord. I was allowed. I have submitted the tender amount. I have submitted the EMD. Next page, my lord. Then, my lord, annexure 3 page, I have entered into an agreement by the authority, my lord, to the mode and manner of execution was indicated, my lord. My lord.
16,525 চুক্তিনামা 16,525
Yes, my lord.
ওড়িয়া
Yes.
চুক্তি গ্রহীতা নির্বাহী অধিকার দেবতর সমানশো হলা হেলা তারপরে কোন হলা
Chandrasekhar ji Vijay Kapilas parking star Kapilas
তলে এটি অ্যামাউন্ট রিফ্লেক্ট হলা হ্যাঁ তারপরে
I want to obey this, my lord. But while this was the position, my lord, your lordship on to page 44.
কটি হচ্ছে পেজ
24. Annexure 4.
24 কোন হলা
Your lordship see.
If the present parking gate to old so and so, Santoshi so and so for the greater interest so and so. The system of the parking area should be completed on or before so and so. The Devottaro inspector is directed to cooperate also.
Your lordship see memo number third memo, my lord. Your lordship see third memo. copy to, I'm not reading, my lord, copy to such and such for information. In a government letter, my lord.
MLA instance रे हिची बोली आपण कहउचंती.
Yes, yes, my lord. That is my our bid also.
Look to, so the agreement is concerned, page 14, is parking stands that are decided that will be below the Kopila Sikha Tala in front of Chidiakana. Thereafter, they are saying that you shift it elsewhere.
Mr. Kaur, I'm not sure from Mr. Das's submission. Mr. Das, your parking will be shifted. Parking will be there where it is earlier.
Madam, they have shifted, my lord. The main gate they have shifted.
Parking, sir. Gate I have followed, or we have followed. The gate is being shifted.
Yes,
Entry gate is being shifted. So what happened to your parking lot? It is there in the earlier place or the new place?
New place, my lord.
So what is the difficulty then?
Madam, I have to lose, my lord, because it was before in the agreement.
So
my lord.
I understood that the parking lot is not shifted, the gate is shifted. So you will not get vehicles to be parked.
No.
But now you say that you are having the vehicles as well as the parking lot.
No, my lord, place is same, my lord. My lord, place is same, but the gate has been shifted to somewhere else, my lord. Now, my lord, what will happen? Now in the agreement.
Place is same. Place is same. Gate shift कर देले. हाँ.
प्रथम कॉलेज पार्किंग लॉट टा जोटी थला से भी शिफ्ट हे गला. एबे कॉलेज जे सेठी अछि.
बर्तन पार्किंग शिफ्ट अछि.
Confusing होछ.
Parking place is.
Are you clear in your instruction, Mr. Das? Lordship is asking whether the parking place and the gate both have been shifted or the parking lot and the gate are different now.
Only gate has been shifted, madam.
अच्छा. Entry shift कर देबे गोटे जगह रो आ गोटे जगह को. ताले parking space सेठी रखिबे ना लोक. आउ एठी की आसी फोर व्हीलर रखिया पई.
So you have to give accordingly when it's a half baked the whole thing has been done.
आपण सेठी गेट ता थिला पाखरे गोटे पार्किंग स्पेस थिला. जी आसीबो पार्किंग स्पेस रे गाड़ी रखिबो जीवो. आ पार्किंग स्पेस टा को अन्य जगह रे सेठी गेट ता रखले कोनटा. Instruction about that.
If there is no vacant space, if there is no vacant space for to have a parking lot, then you have to reconsider. This is a, ill thought of measure.
Yes, ma'am. And he has given you
the money, 11 lakhs. You have auctioned the devotor property.
25 लाख टका से किछि ता सन. फुट आनिबो गुड से पैसा. गाड़ी तो सियाड रो किसी लोक सब सेठी रखिबे ना. जोडी शिफ्ट हला गेट.
At the agreement place, he has developed the site, made sets and all that.
Whatever, sir.
So,
you have accepted the money. You have accepted the parking.
Half of the gate is from the parking place. That is to be only accepted.
So people have to be compelled to go there, or there is another vacant space. Those things you have to take into note. Simply by shifting the gate doesn't.
Parking रे काय जनरल गोटे देखो.
Correct.
हाँ. तेणु सी कूड 25 लाख टका आनिबो सेठी. So that is the reason why.
Somewhat I have paid. But data dekho do ya.
All right. Then let them take instruction. The writ petition has been filed by so and so, challenging the letter number so and so issued by the opposite party number 3 under annexure 4 with a further prayer to allow the petitioner to operate so and so.
Serial number 11.
Serial number 11 tender notice in accordance with the terms and conditions of the agreement dated 16/5/2025 under annexure 3, referring to annexure 4 relating to the shifting of the Kapila's four-wheeler parking gate. Land Council for the petitioner submits that by virtue of such order, the petitioner is likely to suffer heavy financial loss and he may not be in a position to deposit the balance amount as per the agreement under annexure 3. Mr. Call and government advocates seek some time to obtain instruction in the matter of this matter after a good date summer vacation for a specific date. Instruction be obtained in the meantime. All right, yes.
Annexure 4 may be stay by the But I have filed in this case.
कौन है कि सेठी कौन नहीं कि न जानी कि कौन स्टेट दे दो
Mr. Das, you have not raised that issue that whether the vehicles are coming to be parked in your parking or not. So that is not an issue right now. How can we have no, let them take instruction. I see. It could be, what you are saying could be that that's a issue, but you are not realizing that you are not getting vehicles to be parked.
Now people are parking their vehicle near the deer park, my lord.
ठीक है बुझुची जे से आपण से जो यूज करंती से जो बाड़ी पकी
Like Dhawaleshwar.
हां बाड़ी पकी दे 8 रखो
और Dhawaleshwar से
Actually अगर जे ये हेला ता पाई बोली एबडा ये होची लोक
So, core at least you use your good offices to instruct them. This is not the way that after you have shifted not only the goalpost, you have shifted the whole match.
माने से बाध्य है से तू कोन करिवे ना बाटरे से
Like Dhawaleshwar लगी दियंती
बाड़ी पकी किन को 8 रखो सेडू
problem.
परिस्थिति सृष्टि
Today I will talk to the SP.
हां आइदर ताको से पाखा पकी स्पेस दी दन जोडी गेट शिफ्ट करले यदि सेठी स्पेस अछि देई दियंतु अदरवाइज the business hamper kariyo na yes
already I have paid the entire amount I have paid.
All right.
Item 32. May I please your lordship?
This case also notice may be issued.
हाँ ये आइए issue notice कर दो ना
Problem.
32
My lord, in this case, the present petitioner is a proprietor of the Shubham Enterprises. He is having a sole residential house in the city of Cuttack, Santivia, Chauliaganj, which is net nearly valuation of rupees 1.5 crores, my lord. My lord, mortgaging the same property, the present petitioner availed multiple loans, my lord.
This distress price is always a less. If the property is sold in a distressed condition, you are not repaying the only way that you arrange a buyer at 1.5 crore and ask him to offer, if at all. But other parties that we have already passed an order, scope of the High Court interfering in these matters.
Position notice challenge को जो 2022
There is no collector letter is of current dated that is on 18/12/24. Annexure 3, my lord.
Auction date is 20th of March 2023, page 16.
My lord, that auction that is cancelled.
No, if you say that this is the latest one, this annexure 3, again this is under 14 and remedies available under section 17. We have just passed an order. So why will you?
My lord, the present petitioner, my humble submission before your lordship, that the present petitioner is now ready to pay and undertake to pay the
approach before the appropriate tribunal, the DRT. They actually ask some kind of deposit is to be made. They are passing the interim order.
Petitioner is ready to deposit the amount.
Whatever you do there, will not. Once we entertain means it would be in violation of the Honorable Supreme Court order.
We considered the same. My lord, subject to payment, the present petitioner is ready.
That order you can get it from that. Click on so and so have
Item 5. Item 5.
अच्छा 5 रे गोटे order ହେଇଥିଲା
Manas Ranjan Khatua.
हाँ
Already Lordship has dictated a order.
ये जो
Item serial number 5 WP
challenge करते हैं annexure 3 टाइम challenge करते हैं order of the collector so and so under section 14 of this one. तादेर से रेशियो लेट डाउन ହେଇଛି जो डिसीजन से आपको देखिए से appropriate authority को अप्रोच करिवे including interim release also है according to dispose of कर हाँ next
Item 33.
Petitioner's minor daughter has been kidnapped on 27/9/2024. Thereafter, she lodged FIR on 2/10/2024 before the Kamakhanagar PS. And the minor girl, the chassis certificate of the minor girl on the runner.
What happened? You have not been rescued?
Not yet been rescued. No.
You said that the final form has been submitted.
Submitted statement
Final
that
form
mistake of fact.
without the recording the statement, without rescue any man statement obviously not the
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ statement ଦିଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ଦିଟା ସେମିତି କି statement ଏଇ act ରୁ ନେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଅଣ୍ଡର ଆନେକ୍ସର
ମାନେ ଆମେ ସେ କଥା ନୁହଁ ଆମେ victim ର statement କଥା କହୁଛୁ. Whether the name of the victim finds place in as a charge sheet witness in page number, you come to page number 16. Page number 16 ଟା final form ର ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି names of the witnesses. ଆଗରେ victim ର ନାଁ ଆସୁଛି କି? Victim is
victim ର ନାଁ
is number one. How do you say that he is number one? His statement is not there and she has not been rescued.
ପିଟିସନର ତ ଆଜି ଯାଏଁ ପାଇନି ତା ଝିଅକୁ ପୋଲିସ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇଲା ଦେଖେଇ ପୁଣି ନେଇଗଲା
ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଇଜ ଅ ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଦେଖେଇଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି ନା କିଛି ଥିବ. Have you got the entire charge sheet copy?
The victim has statement with me.
So, paragraph, six queries are dead on the point. ଦେଖିକି ନେଇଗଲେ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
Statement
ଆଜି ଯାଏଁ ଆମକୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି.
ନା ସେଟା CWC ପାଖରେ ରଖିବେ ଯଦି ଝିଅ ମନେକର ମନା କରି ମୁଁ ବାପା ମା ପାଖକୁ ଯିବିନି. ଆରେ
ସେମିତି ଆଜ୍ଞା କିଛି କହିନି.
କହିନି କଣ?
CWC ବି ଆମକୁ ଦଉନି କି ପୋଲିସ ବି ଆମକୁ
କେମିତି ଦବ? ସିଏ ପରା ମନା କରୁଛି ଝିଅ ଯିବନି କଣ ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ଦେବେ ନା କଣ?
Cannot create a smoke screen like this. You have to answer this, what Fellow my lord, yes, she has been cited as a witness.
My lord.
Serial number 1.
And you are
Charge-sheeted witness.
You are giving the statements of others but not giving the statement of the victim. That would show that and in such type of cases ordinarily 164 CRPC is recorded.
With me, 151 settlement.
ସେଟା କାଇଁ ଦେଲେନି କଣ ପାଇଁ? ଆପଣ ଯଦି କପି ଅଫ ଦି ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଝିଅ କହୁଛି ମୋ ମନକୁ ମୁଁ ଯାଇଛି
164 ରେକର୍ଡ ହେଇନି
161 ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କି ମୋ ମନକୁ ଯାଇଛି
161 ଅଛି 164 ଟା ଆମେ
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବାପା ମତେ ଗାଳି ଗୁଲଜ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମାଡ଼ ଦେଲେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଗୁଡାକ ଲାଇଭ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିମିଂ କରୁନ ତ ଏଇ ଲାଇଭ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିମିଂ କରୁନ ତ
WPCRL top live
Item 34.
No one is there.
ସେ କପି ସର୍ଭ କରିଥିଲେ
ସେଦିନ ଆସିକି
Yes, 34 Malat's copy has been served on me for the opposite party.
But the counsel is not there. Copy has been served on you.
Yes, Malat's copy Malat's finally was served on me. Malat's.
No, he is not there. That summer vacation le tar line ta kemti kati deichanti ta se to kisi tonka nei ki tar line ta diontu ta.
It's
he is not
instruction.
Malat's, I think Malat's instruction the IA has been fact to disconnect. I think let's disconnect has not taken place. So IA copy has not been served.
Can you record that you are saying that the electricity has not been disconnected?
No, Malat's, because
How?
Malat's, the IA in the IA the prayer is not to disconnect. The IA copy was served much later, Malat's. Therefore, I sent say IA prayer question not to disconnect.
None appears for the petitioner. Mr. Lalit Maharana, LK Maharana, counsel appearing for opposite party number 3 to 5.
3 to 5.
Submits that though he has received the copy of the writ petition, but he is yet to receive the copy of the interim application. Let the land counsel for the petitioner serve a copy of the interim application. Put up this matter if moved during vacation, if not after ensuing summer vacation. Yes, Achila notice.
They are in presenting this.
Malat's in that.
Yes, Mr. Maharana? You are muted, unmute.
Unmute.
Unmute, Mr. Maharana.
Malat's, the IA copy has been served later. In the IA, they have prayed not to disconnect. That is my submission.
IA copy has been received late. Late kar diyantu. And
the prayer is not to disconnect.
And the prayer is not to disconnect. And put up this matter up to small.
Yes.
Mr. Mando, what do you say?
This IAs. Commissioner,
just a second. They are appearing in VC. They have to.
Yes, my lord, DCP.
My lord, I may pardon, my lord. My lord, I am pardon, my lord.
Mr. Maharana just left.
My lord, in this case,
he was there. You are not there.
My lord, unfortunately, my lord.
So you move the next bench.
Next bench, you have said that next
already.
Bench. He has stated that since your prayer is not to disconnect, that presupposes that your electricity has not yet been disconnected. So that is how you are. If you apprehend something, and then you can move the next vacation bench, right?
My lord, they have given the red card, my lord, in my miscase and also additional affidavit. I have given the additional affidavit to him, my lord.
So you
and
move
additional affidavit for
move the liberties granted to you to move the next vacation bench.
Right. Yes. Next.
Oblige.
My lord, that's the situation.
Just a second. Let them appear. They are appearing.
Yes, already.
Tin jana achanti. Commissioner, then DCP, then Devashish Naik.
Devashish Naik outside the town, my lord, is not in robe. Therefore, if you
are commissioner, bring DCP also.
DCP.
Click karantu. Pin them to the screen. R&B ର ଯିଏ ରାସ୍ତାର କିଏ ଓନର? Who is that?
ରାସ୍ତା contractor ତ କରୁଥିବ ଏଇଟା।
Rasta is never belong to contractor. The owner, the road belongs to which authority?
R&B
ହେଇଥିବ। କହିଲା ପରେ ବି you are not getting clear.
Acha, okay. What is your now grievance?
Yes, once is my lord's after this order on 20th of May, on the 21st in the evening, the massive work started there at this spot. There was an order by this honorable court that stay with the construction as well as status quo with regard to the vending zone. What has happened, it was noticed.
Thereafter, have you filed any application or anything like that?
Yes, I have filed.
Which is that
application with the 8, that is your lordship's.
IA number?
8883.
8.
2 IS,
Physical
1
copy
to
that
11 and 12. Flag 11 and 12.
8883 of 25.
Yes, Millards.
What you have stated in this?
Millards, in this, I have stated that after this order was passed, it was noticed on 21st next
Just
day.
point out paragraph.
Millards. That is at that para 3, your lordships.
Paragraph 3.
It is very sorry to mention here that operator on they started construction by affixing roof tin over the said vending zone. While the petitioners were informed by some students, petitioners intimated this said fact to the university authorities, and then the petitioners went to the spot, requested not to proceed on the construction and showed the order of this honorable court, but they did not stop. So the petitioners compelled to lodge a complaint before the IIC Malgodam police station. It's also stated that the local people, those who are aware of the honorable court's order, they also objected as regards the high-handed action of the opposite parties. When the police came to the spot, they stopped the construction work. It is pertinent to mention here on 22/5/2025 morning, University office saw that one shop room in the vending zone was open and some person are selling tiffin there. It is also evident that overnight roof tins were affixed hurriedly over the same portion of some portion of the vending zone. So the opposite partner of 5 lost the complaint. That's also there. I have given a photograph of lordships, half constructed, just put the roof after this order of the honorable court in the morning. Page your lordship 12.
Okay. State Council.
Yes. Also, the council for the.
No. Is it available with the DCP and the CMC Commission or no?
No.
So, इसके screen share करूँ बेटा. Let them.
ଗୋଟେ link ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରିବେ ଯେମିତି ସେ ଲିଙ୍କଟା ଯେମିତି ଭିସିରେ ଆସିବ ସେମାନେ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରି ପଢିବେ ହଁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ You instruct the R&B whoever is the authority to join also. So Das, Mr. Bhanti.
Permission to speak, my lord, sir.
You can hear us?
Mr. DCP, are you able to hear us?
You unmute yourself. Yes.
Sir, namaskar, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Are you able to see the paragraph 3?
Sir.
Just go slowly. Please read it once again.
That it is very sorry to mention here that opposite party number 4 on 21/5/2025 started construction by affixing roof tin over the said vending zone while the petitioners were informed by some students. The petitioners intimated this fact to the university authorities, and then the petitioners went to the spot and requested not to proceed on the construction of and showed the order of this honorable court, but they did not stop. So the petitioners compelled to lodge a complaint before the IIC Malgodam police station. It's also stated here that the local police, local people, those who were aware about the court's order, also objected as regards the.
कि अपन स्लो पढ़ंतु because there is screen टा देखि पढ़ी परिबे. Yes, can now read. It is also stated here.
It is also stated here that the local people, those who were aware of the honorable court's order, also objected as regards the high-handed action of the opposite parties. When the police came to this spot, they stopped the construction work. It is pertinent, next paragraph. It is pertinent to mention here that on 22/5/2025 morning, the university authorities saw that one shop room in the vending zone was open and some person are selling tiffin there. It's also evident that overnight routines were affixed hurriedly over some portion of the vending zone. So the opposite party number 5 lodged a complaint before the IIC. That I have annexed. Annexure 2.
Hold down further. Para 5.
Then it is respectively submitted here. It is respectively submitted here, para 5, that said fact also reported in Odia daily newspapers like Sambad, Samaj and other newspapers. 10 minutes, sir. I have also annexed those. 6. In view of the fact circumstances, the opposite party number 4, in an adamant attitude, knowingly fully well of violating the order of some court dated 20th/5/2025 by exercising.
Who is opposite party number 4?
The CMC.
Yes. So this is CMC commissioner.
Yes.
Yes.
By exercising his colorable power with an ill motive to defy this honorable court's order with his power passion. It ought to mention here some portion of the vending zone are totally incomplete and some portion only iron rod are affixed till foundation level. Now the opposite parties are trying to complete the same by disobeying the order of this honorable court. Sir. Opposite party number 4, who is well aware of the order, being present in the court, trying to create an unstable situation by violating the order of this honorable court. The project is under construction and there is an interim order dated 20th/5/2025. But in order to openly defy the order of this honorable court by opening one of the half-constructed shop, this action shows with the ulterior motive. Authorities are trying to falsely show that construction is over, which is not a fact. This conduct of the opposite party shows their malafide intention.
Whether the IIC can be made available? Mr. DCP?
Sir, I had sent him at the spot, sir.
Yeah. He is now available with the spot.
Yes, sir, he is at the spot, sir.
Please, can you share the live pictures?
He had sent some few videos of the shops and the area, sir. I'm sharing with the AGA, sir.
Mr. Patra?
Sir, namaskar.
Since when you are functioning as the CMC commissioner?
Sir, my submission is on.
Since when you are functioning as CMC commissioner?
Sir, last September 2024.
September. Prior to that, you were there in Cuttack or somewhere else?
Sir, I was in Cuttack, sir.
Since when?
Since 2022, sir.
22, you are in Cuttack. And
Sir.
you are also regularly appearing in the Cuttack PIL also.
Sir.
On that day when we passed the order, you were there or not?
Yes, sir. I was, sir, present, sir.
So, in your presence, the order was passed?
Yes, sir.
We have stayed it. We
Yes,
have
sir.
maintained the status quo.
Sir.
How these things is going on?
Sir, on the very day, sir, after passing the order by the Honorable Court, I immediately informed my engineering section and engineer was also present on that day, sir. So when that hearing was going on, and immediately I gave her, and then I issued.
Mr. Patra, just a second. Just a second. Just give us a moment. Mr. DCP, you asked the IIC to join. Yes,
sir.
he can join through the link by the mobile.
Sir.
He has to open the link in his mobile phone with mobile net. Mr. Patra, the court's query is that you are unable to control the affairs of CMC and your engineering department. You are making an admission. We'll record that. Because your version is that even after you have intimated the engineering department, they have not stopped.
Sir,
So we'll record that. You see, it's a courtroom proceeding. You have to be very serious in what you are stating. You have already stated. It is also recorded.
Sir,
So it is only to be reflected in the order.
Sir, my submission
You are
is
unable to control your staff and your engineering department who are openly flouting High Court's order.
my submission is that, sir.
You don't have to submit anything. These are factual. You must understand, Mr. Patra, these are factual. You are saying that despite your instruction to your staff, you are violating court's order with impunity.
No, sir, my submission is that no work after passing of the order by the court. Sir, I stopped the.
Don't. Sir, already you have done enough damage to your institution and your, authority and your career.
No, sorry, sir.
You see, now you must understand that what you are saying is recorded.
Sir, my
Even
submission
that is good enough. That is good enough because your submission that your engineering department has not obeyed. You are indirectly violated court's order. That is on record now.
Sir,
What action you have taken? What action?
How many strictures have been passed against you in the for your inefficiency? Huh?
Sir, my submission is that, yesterday I got the information through a newspaper that some miscreants have done this. Already my technical staff.
Commissioner, you are holding a responsible post. You are saying still serious allegations against you. You are indicting yourself that you are unable to control the situation and miscreants have done this.
Sir, already I have.
You must understand that we are not going to search for miscreants to do anything. We can take action against you.
Already on 22nd May, already I have lodged FIR in the police station.
You should have taken preventive, proactive measures, Mr. Commissioner.
Yes, sir. Already I have taken.
So because of your failure, we are going to record, this has happened.
Sir.
Being a public authority, you are under the duty to comply court's orders. This can't be a lawless situation, Mr. Patra.
Sir,
by making these kind of submissions reckless, you are unable to control your authority, you are unable to control your officers, and you are stating that in public in court.
You are submitting that the hooligans have done it. That is why you are not responsible. Is it your submission?
It has serious ramification, Mr. Patra. You are a public officer holding a responsible officer like Commissioner of Municipal Corporation of a largest municipality of corporation of state.
Sir,
It is being watched by your authority also, your superiors.
Sir, my technical staff also watching that thing not to take.
Sir, you may be a mute spectator, but we cannot be that. You must understand. You may be mute spectator of violation of law and all these things. How to enforce? You suggest how to enforce it? Barricading.
It's already a contempt. It's already a contempt, and we have to take action against you. You are admitting that there has been violation. Some hooligans have done it. So there is violation. Whether hooligans done it or XYZ done it, we do not know. You are the person who was supposed to see that our orders are carried out and there is no construction. Status quo is maintained. The order is very clear. Whether it is X, whether it is Y, or whether it is Z, we are least concerned about it.
you have committed a contempt. So only to assist you not to commit further contempt, how much time you will take to barricade? 1 hour by putting pillars and barbed wire fencing?
By evening, sir. By evening, I will
Not
do
by
the
evening,
barricade.
sir. Not by evening. You are to report compliance by putting barbed wire fencing within an hour.
Within today evening, sir.
Sir, you are taking too much of risk, sir. You are taking too much of risk by playing with court's order.
Sir, materials will be collected. Sir, materials will be.
Mr. Patra, your turn will come. Please wait. Mr. DCP, unmute yourself. Yes.
Sir, namaskar, sir.
Could you get in touch with the IC? Could you join?
Sir, IC is not able to connect, sir. I'm asking
in
him.
the mobile phone. Haji, this net active. This
yes, sir.
Mobile network you should make active. Then go to this.
Sir, Zoom app, sir. He is downloading
Zoom.
it, sir.
He has to have Zoom.
Sir, he's downloading it, sir. Maybe a minute.
He's not having that app. So can he send you that photograph? What is the situation now? Or a video?
Sir,
he has sent you.
Yes, sir. He had sent, sir. I have
Okay,
sent
can you
it.
share that in the video? Sorry, in the VC Zoom platform.
Sir, I had sent to Mr. Partha Babu, sir, AGA, sir, on his mobile, sir.
সেটা আপনি এখানে স্ক্রিনে লগাই দিন পার্থবাবু মোবাইল রে এটুকু নিয়ে আসুন WhatsApp রে আপনি WhatsApp রে সেন্ড করে দিন ছোট টাইপে করে দিন ডাউনলোড করুন
Sir, IIC has joined, sir. Sir.
Yes, Mr. Mr. IC, you unmute your you are in DC now. With the court, unmute yourself. Mr. IC, unmute yourself. Court is asking you to unmute. Touch karo to unmute taku. Yes. So you saw the recent construction which has happened, which was complained before you in your police station. You pan the mobile camera on that. Mobile camera टाकू सेड़ा को फोकस नहीं जानतु कंस्ट्रक्शन आडू जो कंस्ट्रक्शन टा रिसेंटली हेची आ दुकान के करची सेटा भी तार डिटेल्स ता दियंतु सुन फॉर
Read.
Mr. DCP, you can ask some other officer to be assist Mr. the IAC, so that because he's unable to hear us, I think. From his expression, it appears he's unable to hear us. Some person standing beside him can talk to you over phone. So you can instruct him to focus the camera on the construction.
I have shared the photographs.
They will bring it, but since he's there in the spot, it is live now. So you share those photographs.
I should contact you.
Now all can see whoever is present in the
full size कर दूँ अब बड़ा ही करियो नहीं
super नहीं जाना.
हाँ carry on करियो
वीडियो टा प्ले करता है.
एवढा को कराई ही होगा ये जो सेड उड़ा को बड़ा
separate टा पड़ी.
एड़ा हाँ
Separate टा पड़ी.
एड़ा ये तीनों उड़ा को पकी जंदी
He is showing now. You show the video of the inspector's name is I think Rajali. He is showing it. That's outside video. One 7 PM, 1 4 PM. According to 23rd May 2025, exam 1.04 PM, 1.07 PM. Yes. Also restore the VC also. Zoom meeting. Zoom. एवढा का रखी था तो. Keep these things intact.
Yes, Mr. DCP, now you know the state of affairs, how it is going on. He has already flouted. We'll have hold him guilty, the CMC commissioner. And he has assured us that within 1 hour there would be total fencing in that area. And
he will ensure watch out.
and you just see that the police should be there and just watch it and so that no further activities goes on in the matter of construction. We'll pass the order today.
And police can paste the stay order.
And
there's a High Court order. No one should interfere.
No one should interfere on this. We are dictating the order and take down.
We'll ensure it, sir.
All right. IN number 8883 of 2025. Though this matter was directed to be listed as per the order dated 25/2025 on 36/2025, on being mentioned by Mr. Nanda in the first hour regarding urgency of passing some orders in the IN number 8883 of 2025 on the ground of violation of the interim order passed on that day in IN number 5970 of 2025, we directed the matter to be listed by way of special notice. Mr. Nanda submitted that even though on 25/2025, in presence of the CMC Commissioner, Mr. Anam Charan Patra, an interim order was passed that there shall be stay of construction work of vending zones in front of public adjacent to the boundary wall of second campus of Madhusudan Law University at Rahman Square, Jobra, Cuttack till next date, that is 36/2024, and status quo with respect to the proposed construction as on 25/2025 with respect to the proposed construction to be made by the opposite party, but there is serious violation of the interim order. In the interim application, it is stated as follows, quote paragraph number 3, 4, 6, and 7 to also the 8th. After the initial notice was circulated, the CMC Commissioner, Mr. Patro, Mr. Swanso, appeared through virtual mode. The IAC also joined from the spot.
IAC
Malgodown Police Station also joined from the spot where the construction activities were supposed to be carried out. Mr. Patro gave a peculiar statement that after the order was passed on 25/2025, he has asked whom he said that engineering department. He has asked the engineering department and personnel of CMC and some persons of the CMC to see that the interim order is not flouted in any manner. He said that some hooligans have started construction work in violation of the interim order passed. Therefore, it is apparent that whatever averments have been taken in the interim application, particularly with paragraph number, aforesaid paragraph number so and so, are prima facie correct. When the order was passed on such an date, in presence of the CMC Commissioner, it was nonetheless his duty to see that no one should flout the same. More particularly when the matter has been brought to the notice of IIC Mangalabag Police Station, Malgodown Police Station, it is unfortunate that no steps have been taken immediately to prevent such activities, and that led the hooligans to deviate the order of this court dated so and so. Therefore, we are of the view that on the face of it, it appears that the CMC Commissioner has flouted the order of this court dated 25/2025, and he is responsible for the same. The CMC Commissioner, however, states that within 2 hours, he will take necessary steps to guard the entire area by putting what type of fence? Pillars with barbed wire fencing. By barbed wire fencing, pillars and barbed wire fencing by evening, to see that no one can enter in that area and no vending activities is carried out. The DCP has also assured this court that the IIC Malgodown Police Station and other police official, he shall ensure that the interim order passed on such and such date is complied with in its letter and spirit, and anyone who tries to deviate the same, immediate action shall be taken against him. Put up this matter on the date fixed, that is on 36/2025,
Complaints affidavit by the commissioner.
And an affidavit, a detailed affidavit by the CMC commissioner, so also by the DCP, Cuttack,
the steps taken.
shall be filed regarding the steps taken to carry out the order dated so and so, passed in IA number so and so, and also today in this interim application. Free copy of the order be handed over to the London Council for State for compliance.
Only one sentence, that mockable person.
We are handing over the order to you within 1.5 hours, but ask them to
Start work immediately. Yeah. And go to line guard kariye, while fencing the word, the place, the motorable portion of the road, along with a area for the pedestrians, should be left. The rest of the entire area shall be barricaded. Mr. Patra, we hope you have understood it.
Sir. Definitely, sir.
You will be fencing whoever is the agency, maybe R&B, we ask them, but they are not present. The motorable portion and some pedestrian pathway, the entire rest part will be fenced.
Sir.
And you know what technology can, I mean, you can't raise smoke screens, Mr. Patra.
Sir.
You see what has happened, you have seen yourself.
Sir.
It is now part of record.
Sir.
The IIC of Malgodan Police Station also showed the live video footage of the construction.
Partly done, which supposed to be partly done, and some with some portion with tin roof.
Okay.
So, well, it's only one thing. I have filed one 8884, but repone of this application. I have specifically filed because it was adjourned to 30th/6. So,
so 8884 dispose of?
No, it's
no. Should we dispose of by, because since it has been taken up?
Yes.
8884 thought.
Acha. 8884/2025, Mr. Nanda does not want to praise this application since the IA number so and so has been taken up. Well, IA number 8883 has been taken up. That is why he does not want to praise this 888. All right.